Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple, a popular platform for investing your hard-earned money. But what if things don't go according to plan, or you simply need access to that cash again? Can you withdraw money from Wealthsimple whenever you want? Let's face it, investment strategies can change, emergencies pop up, or maybe you've spotted a dream vacation deal. Whatever the reason, understanding how and when you can access your funds in a Wealthsimple account is crucial. So, buckle up and get ready to withdraw the curtain on Wealthsimple's withdrawal secrets. Understanding your account types. Not all accounts are created equal. First things first, Wealthsimple offers a variety of account types, and the ease of withdrawing your money can differ depending on which one you hold. Here's a quick breakdown. Tax-advantaged accounts. These accounts, like RRSPs, TFSAs, and RESPs, come with tax benefits but often have limitations on withdrawals. Think of them as retirement savings accounts on steroids. There might be waiting periods or restrictions on how much you can withdraw without impacting your contribution room. Non-registered accounts. These accounts offer more flexibility when it comes to accessing your cash. They're great for short-term investing or building a rainy day fund. Tax-advantaged accounts, hoops to jump through, but not impossible. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys dealing with taxes, and withdrawing from tax-advantaged accounts can get a little tricky. Here's a need-to-know for each type. RRSPs. Withdrawing from your RRSP is generally considered a taxable withdrawal, meaning you'll pay income tax on the amount you take out. There are some exceptions, like the Home Buyers Plan, HBP, or Lifelong Learning Plan, LLP, which allow you to withdraw funds for specific purposes under specific conditions. TFSAs. The good news? TFSAs are all about tax-free growth and withdrawals. You can access your contributions without any tax implications. However, there's a catch. Withdrawals use up your contribution room for the year. So, if you take out 5,000%, you won't be able to contribute that amount again until the following year's contribution limit resets. RESPs. Similar to RRSPs, RESP withdrawals can be subject to taxes. The contributions themselves grow tax-free, but when you withdraw funds to help with your child's education, there might be tax implications depending on how the money is used. Non-registered accounts. A breath of fresh air, with a small catch. Non-registered accounts are the simplest when it comes to withdrawals. Since you've already paid taxes on the money you deposited, there are generally no tax consequences when you take it out. However, it's important to remember any capital gains taxes you might incur if you've sold investments at a profit. The mechanics of withdrawing. It's easier than you think. Now that you understand the account types, let's talk about the actual withdrawal process. Here's a simplified breakdown. Log into your Wealthsimple account. Navigate to the Move Money section. This might be slightly different depending on the app or web interface you're using. Select Withdraw. Choose the account you want to withdraw from. Enter the amount you want to take out. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. Wealthsimple will then transfer the funds to your linked bank account. The time frame can vary depending on the withdrawal method, but it typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Bonus tip: instant gratification with instant debit withdrawals, but at a cost. For non-registered accounts and TFSAs on Wealthsimple's self-directed investing platform, there's an option for instant gratification into the world of investing debit withdrawals, specifically Wealthsimple. This lets you access your funds immediately by transferring them to your linked debit card, attracting new users with its sleek interface. There's a 2.5% fee attached to this convenience, but with all the online noise, the extra cost. A crucial question arises: the bottom line, flexibility with a few caveats. Let's face it, handing over your to our initial digital platform can feel daunting. You can withdraw money from Wealthsimple. To answer this question definitively, depending on your account type, there might be some tax implications or limitations to consider. Buckle up, because we're about to unpack their security measures are built for long-term framework, so frequent withdrawals might not be the best strategy. Security first.